What's good, guys? It's your girl Funmyte and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button so you will never miss any of my upload. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my son's first month lock update with his 2-strand twist starter locks, which include his first wash and retwist. So let's get into it. Yes, I know it looks a little bit crazy, but I am about to transform them back into hair goals by first giving them a well-deserved wash. So yes, I use this 2 shampoo to wash his hair. So this strengthening Jamaican shampoo first, and then I use this Neutrogena shampoo to wash it more, just to remove any white sticky stuff in his hair. So after washing his hair, I am just checking his locks to see if there are any that may have unraveled. And yes, some of the locks has unraveled, but that is normal. This won't affect the locks process. It will lock around the same time as others. Nevertheless, I just relock the 2-strand twist by interlocking the root. As you can see, all of the root has a lot of undergrowth, and I'm just gonna re-interlock everything. And yeah, so after washing, I spray this oil on. And also I put a spray mango and lime, no more itchy, to reduce any itchiness. And I also put this moisturizer to moisturize his hair and scalp, to moisturize them, keep them moisturized very well. So I make sure to do the retwisting earlier on in the day so that I could take the clips out before the night time, because I didn't want him to feel uncomfortable when it comes to bedtime or have any accident while he's sleeping. Once his hair was dry, I removed all the clips and his hair was completely transformed back into hair goals. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please make sure to thumbs up and drop us a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. See you next week. Love you. Bye.